Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing tips for the removal and replacement of the vacuum sensor on this 2025 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.4 liter engine. If you find my tips to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's get started. The sensor is located in the center of your screen near the tip of my red pointer. Some of the symptoms associated with a faulty sensor include hard start or rough idle. This sensor does not have any standalone codes. However, you might get general code numbers P0149 or P0103. So you might ask, what does this part do? Well, this sensor is part of the electronic fuel injection system, and it measures the vacuum pressure within the engine's fuel system. This information is used by the engine's control system to optimize the fuel delivery and air-fuel mixture. Supplies needed for this project include an 8mm socket with a short extension, a small ratchet, a pair of pliers, and some mass airflow sensor spray. Please see other items in the description below. So let's go ahead and move forward with the removal of the sensor. I will be using a small step ladder because it's a long reach, and you probably will too. You can loosen up your bolts with the ratchet. So mine are already loose. Here, there's one. And two, and you guys can see the clip came off. And just press down on the electrical connector, pull it away from the sensor. Now, you should be able to just grab this hose right here, this vacuum hose, squeeze, and then rotate the sensor and pull it off. And there you have it. So that is your vacuum sensor. So let's just go ahead and inspect it. It wasn't throwing a code. So there's 3 pins. I don't see any cracks. There's no gasket here. You do have a port with a very small opening. And one of the things that I read was that these ports get dirty very easily. Okay, so before you replace this sensor, I strongly advise that you clean it out with some mass airflow sensor spray. To spray it right in there. Do that maybe 3 times. Shake it out really good. Reinstall it in the vehicle and then attempt to reset the trouble code. If it doesn't reset, then proceed to look for vacuum leaks. I just want to show you that there are 2 vacuum hoses. There's one here and one there, and both of those need to be checked for cracks. Okay? All right, so they look good. So let's go ahead and get this sensor reinstalled. I'm going to go ahead and install the screw in the back first. Okay, I've got the thread started. Go ahead and start on my second screw. Okay, they're both threaded. I've got my socket with the extension. They only need to be hand tight. Maybe 3 pound-feet. Okay. Now my 2 screws are in. Go ahead, reinstall the rubber hose. There you go. Already checked my rubber hoses. Here's my electrical connector. I'm going to take a look at that gasket. It's not deformed. Go ahead, slide it in place and listen for the click. And there you go. Well, folks, that wraps up the removal and replacement and troubleshooting of the vacuum sensor on this 2025 Toyota Tacoma with the 2.4 liter engine. I hope you found my tips to be helpful. Please like and subscribe. And until next time, drive defensively.